Hi, this is Asad from COZYROC. Today I'm going to show you guys how we can set up COZYROC Pre-Built Gem on COZYROC Cloud. There are multiple steps that are required, like we will have to do an installation of a gem, and then we will have to set up the parameters, and then the last step is just to execute your gem on COZYROC Cloud. So if you are looking to simplify your data integration and automation tasks on cloud, then obviously COZYROC Cloud is the one-stop destination for you. So by saying that, let's switch over to the browser where I'm going to show you guys all these steps. Okay, before we jump over to the gems, I wanted to show you guys that we do offer a 14-day trial period, and during this trial period you can explore and experience the power of it at first hand. Okay, so let's go ahead. So here you can see I'm in the gems window, and in the gallery you can see we have all the available gems that you can install, and once you install it, it will be available under this installed menu. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so we do have the tags using which you can filter out the gems for the service that you're looking for. So for this demo purpose, let's go ahead and see what kind of gems we have for Microsoft Teams. Okay, so we have a few gems available for Microsoft Teams. So let's go ahead and start with this first one. So files from Amazon S3 to Microsoft Teams. So basically this gem will transfer files from Amazon S3 bucket to Microsoft Teams. So if you click on it, we will have a description, and then there is a setup guide and all the parameters that are required. So let's see what's gonna happen. So it's going to save a file with the current date. So if you execute it, if we're going to execute it now, so it's going to save the file with the today's date and month and the year. So let's go ahead and click on install. Okay, so here we got parameters like server host, access key, secret key. These are required to set up the connection to your Amazon S3 instance. And then there is a source folder parameter. So this is the folder from where you want to transfer the files to MS Team. So let's see what source folder I can use. Oh, I already have this here, so I'm gonna go ahead and specify this folder, Maria-test. If you can see here, this is the folder which contains a PNG, a couple of .text files, a zip, and a .csv file. So I will go ahead and specify this is my source folder, and then I will go ahead and specify the server host parameter, which contains a valid bucket and the region. So if you see here, this is the bucket and the region is US-East-1. Apply, and after that we can specify the access key and secret key parameters. Okay, so the filter parameter is optional, so I will just leave it as default. Let's go ahead and click on next. Okay, so now we have to set up the parameters for Microsoft Teams. If you look at the server host parameter, it looks like we have to specify the group ID at the end of the server host URL. So in order to retrieve the group ID, so let's say you want to transfer the file to this folder which is under general. So for general, if you move the cursor onto the general, you can see it will expose the 3 dotted button. So you can you can click on this 3 dotted button, go ahead and click on get link to channel, and then you can copy this link, and this link will contain the group ID. So if I go ahead and paste it here, I can see there is a group ID. All I need is to copy this, grab this group ID from here and paste it right here. Apply. For token file, I have already generated a token file, and in case if you don't have a token file available, you can click on this add button and then go ahead and generate a token file. So let's go ahead and see the path to the destination folder. So as I mentioned, my destination folder is test, which is at the moment empty. Well, it's not empty. Okay, let's go ahead and delete whatever we got here. So yes, so the test folder is empty, so it's under general. So the path to this destination folder will be general / test / and then I can go ahead and click on install. Oh, okay, so it's going to give you an option if you want to go ahead and set up inbound webhook or schedule a job, but this is not the purpose of this demo, so I will go ahead and skip this for now. Okay, so the gem is installed, the parameters are already set up. The only thing now we have to do is to click on run now and then see how it goes. So let's go ahead and click on run now. You can also see the run log if you click right here on the view at the top right corner. Let's click on the view, see the log files. Okay. Okay, so the execution is done, and as we can see that the status is succeeded. Let's go ahead and see if we have the files available at the destination folder. Okay, so you can see it created a folder with the today's date, and then we can see all the files are available here. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or feedback, please reach out to us, and see you guys in the next demo video. Thank you. Bye.